Alright guys, so in this video we'll talk about how you can level up fast in Albion Online. So in this tutorial I'll show you all the methods that you could do. So the first method is basically you do the tutorial and journey task. You need to complete the tutorial. It's capable but very helpful. Follow journey tasks. These are the early game objectives, and then gain strong start with valuable rewards. You can also unlock key content and help your progress faster. And then you can farm open world mobs. You can kill mobs in yellow, blue zones, which are safe. Use your preferred weapon or build. Gain fame and silver while leveling, and great for solo players and beginners. And then you need to clear solo or group dungeons. Complete solo dungeons for steady fame. Join group dungeons for faster leveling, and more enemies equals more fame. You can also do expeditions, pretty much very self-explained. You can join expeditions, which is group activity. You can get massive fame and great loot. You can also participate in faction warfare. Join a faction. There are 3 factions: Teetford, Fort Sterling, and Limehurst. You can fight for territories and Connerstein. And then you can also use fame tombs. Pretty much you can use fame tombs for an instant XP boost. You can equip gear you want to level. Wear the gear you want to specialize in, and all fame goes there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can level up in Albion Online. So I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.